Hello everyone! Here is one of the ways to bring in the elegance of a restaurant at the comfort of your home. Let me show you how! Click the like and tap the subscribe if you enjoyed watching it. Jumping straight into the folding technique. Just a simple printed paper napkin will do the trick. Fold the napkin into a square. Fold it diagonally such that it forms a triangle. This is just to make the next step easier. Take one free corner and tuck it inside. In this, the folding lines will become the guideline. Take the next corner and fold in such a way that it is visible. Follow the way I am doing it. Now the third and the final corner, fold it in the opposite direction to the second one. And my 3 folds are ready. Turn over the entire napkin and fold in a cone shape. If you wish, you can use a sellotape. So my 3 pockets are formed. You can leave it at 2 pockets or just 1, depending on the number of cutlery you want to use. Keep it on a plate, place your knife, your fork, and lastly the spoon. I place a flower from my garden to give a personal touch. And ta-da! The quick and easy folding technique is complete. See you again next Thursday with more buzzing ideas.